Don't run away from the problems. Face any situation, man. Once you face it, you will get freedom first. You will get freedom first. Okay, if you are running away, if you are trying to avoid the phone calls, if you are not in a position to answer, then it's always a bigger problem. Okay, yesterday, Babu Sir is there, my close. Someone made a phone call to Babu Sir. Sir, do you know? He made a call, he sent a WhatsApp message. I didn't saw that WhatsApp message. I didn't saw that WhatsApp message. I know what the message is there. Like I know. He's going to send some account. I record to transfer that money to that, but not having a big struggle. That's why I didn't see that WhatsApp message. You know, this is a very common habit for most of us, including me also. I know what message is there in that WhatsApp. But if I'm seeing, then opposite person may feel that, oh, he saw already, like, that's why I don't want to see that. Anyone having this type of mentality? Yeah, though. So are you getting my point? Respond. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
I don't want to see the message also like. Then in the evening he made a call. So Anna, I didn't see that message like. Yeah. Directly that person straightforward he told. First you require to answer. No. If you are having any issue, so that if you convey, I will come to know. Without conveying, how I will come to know? I'm getting bad feeling about you, right? So convey, so that I will come to know. Without seeing WhatsApp message, without responding to the calls, is the meaningless. Is the meaningless. Like, so just this is the discussion yesterday, somewhere it's a happened. Respond. So mandatory responsibility must be we require to take. We require to face the problem. That's our problem. Okay, he's not enemy. Especially the person who gave the money, he's not enemy, man. He's our well-wisher. He's our best friend. For whenever we are in need, he is the person who provided help. How we can treat that person as enemy? Because of our activities, because of our show-off kind of things, we created the problem, not because of that person. Observe carefully. Okay? So compulsory, not only money related, man, anything. Take responsibility. Be fair. Okay? So that you will have freedom kind of thing. If you are trying to avoid calls, if you are trying to avoid facing the issue, then you are automatically, you are creating the problem severity more and more.